MustangMedics.com. Day 12 of the 1971 Mustang Fastback Restoration Project. Hosting support brought to you by COEserve.com. If we were doing the quarter mile, we'd be doing it in 6 seconds. So it's day 12 of the 1971 Mustang Fastback Project. And you'll notice that I'm not in the videos. I was in Los Angeles, and Ricky and Justin put together the videos of pulling the engine out. So I was vacationing. I just decided I needed a break after just cranking and cranking and cranking. So fortunately, Ricky was motivated, and so was Justin in my absence, and they pulled the engine and trans out of the 73 Grand Torino. So please take a look, and you'll see that we pulled the engine. The Torino's going to become a piece of scrap metal on Monday, and we forge forward on the 71. Thanks for watching.
Alright, today we're pulling the motor and transmission together. Looks like the heads have been rebuilt on this thing before. As you can see how they're exceptionally clean, and you can see it's got new intake gaskets on it and everything. So that's a good thing. But shortly here we'll be seeing this out of the car. Alright, right now I'm loosening the dry shaft so we can get this out of here. It's actually looks like a fairly nice 9-inch rear end on here. Might be taking this out and keeping it. Alrighty, here comes the dry shaft. Making a mess, of course. There we go. Right now we're taking the bolts out for the cross member. And once we get this out, we can go ahead and pull the whole assembly out as one piece.
If you appreciate our efforts to educate, please send a donation to the cause via PayPal. Our PayPal email address is paypal@autobodymen.com. We want to thank a number of you who already donated. We're very grateful.
Now we're taking the cross member out so we can go ahead and drop this thing out of here so we can go ahead and get everything out. Just like that. Engine's out. Engine is out. Get a good look at it now. It'll be all clean before it goes back in.
Please tell your Mustang enthusiast friends to subscribe to our channel and follow our progress. We promise to make it as informative and entertaining as possible.
Everything's out of the car.
Job well done. I didn't say so myself. Now here comes the transmission. It's getting separated from the engine. Cow pins hung up over here. separation.
We're gonna put the engine on the engine stand.
There we go.
There it is.
Now it's new home for the next week or so. Until we get it all cleaned up and made a little faster here, and then we'll go back in the Mustang.
Yep.
Look for a link in the description for the next in our series. If it's not there, come back soon. MustangMedic.com.